According to Henry Tumwesije, the District Natural Resources Officer, the restoration initiative at combating climate change while preserving the ecological beauty of the wetland, which is adjacent to Lake Bunyonyi and is being recognized as an important international environmental asset.
For the start for this phase, we are going to demarcate and restore 300 hectares at a stretch of 7 kilometers per side of the wetland. This Nyombe Wetland is key in that it neighbors or it borders Lake Bunyonyi, and Lake Bunyonyi is now being considered as a Ramsar site, which means it is a lake of an international importance.
Tumwesije emphasized that additional support activities such as animal rearing, irrigation systems for hilly areas, and fishing practices will be provided to assist the local community. Residents currently occupying the wetland have been given until October the 15th, 2024 to vacate the area.
People who have been getting livelihoods from this wetland, we support them with an alternative source of livelihood. We shall give them some heifers, we shall give them some beehives, some goats, some sheep, and some chicken. And those who can afford to look after the fish ponds, we shall give them fish fingerlings and technical know-how on how to look after the fish. We also have the plan to make sure that we restore the neighboring catchment areas.
Kabale District LC5 Chairperson Nelson Shangavasheja assured the people of Kahungye that the government will implement sustainable measures to support their livelihoods after the relocation.
Okugira ngo Kabale yaitu egumeri nkoko yaberi kare konka abantu ndira kubatira umuranga ndabahumuriza tiheno ragira ngo nakwabinga atende kintu cy'abahereze kandi abarenda kweyihamu marara kurugamo mwekundire kandi government yara kwihamu ishemere kugira kintu cyakwehereza kugira ngo kikuyambe utunge ntasa iyo bero yine.
Godfrey Nyakahuma, resident district commissioner of Kabale, echoed this sentiment, urging the community to safeguard the wetlands' restored boundaries and urged them not to approach the set pillars. He emphasized that the government is committed to helping affected individuals transition smoothly into new economic activities.
President Museveni akiterhama esirayamani okureba ngo abantu tubakahinga mu kisharara konke enshonga ya Kabale ejo president aine kwata ajikwasire mpora yagira ngo abantu baje kubanza kureba icyo kubakorera batakarugiro mbisharara, so itkweta alternative livelihood nawe ejo ejo programu neza kurondera abantu beitu abere n'abakorera mu kisharara okureba ngo yabatungira entasia endijo.
However, some residents expressed dissatisfaction with the decision, for they have relied heavily on the wetland for their livelihoods and fear the impending transition.
Kunshasha munonga naboje guturwa mu kisharara kandi bakaturaganisa ndemera kutuhereze ente embuzi kandi bakayika kusimba amabale hati n'iki turebire ekinte cyo ntishasha abantu ba Nyombe ntishasha abantu bari kuhinga mu kishararo
no kushanga hati abana banje batine cyo kujya habwo kugira ngo ndakora abo rufunjo bakampesete bakabone cyo kujya mbwanu nandi kugira ngo netwa boro government tugambeho habwo kwa turakora abo rufunjo bakatuwa kasete.
The restoration of Nyombe Wetland is part of a broader initiative to protect Uganda's wetlands, which play a critical role in climate regulation, water purification, and biodiversity conservation.